Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Happiness. In today's video, I want to talk about a topic that almost every beginner feels, but very few people talk about honestly. Why coding feels hard after 2 or 3 weeks. If you started coding with excitement, but now you feel confused, tired, or stuck, then please watch this video till the end. This video is especially for beginners. When we start learning coding, the first few days feel very good. We watch beginner tutorials, we write simple code, even small things make us feel happy. We think, wow, coding is easy. We feel motivated, we feel confident. This phase gives us energy, but this phase does not last forever. After 2 or 3 weeks, coding suddenly feels different. The code that worked before stops working. Errors start coming again and again. We don't understand why something is not working. Even tutorials feel fast. This is the time when many beginners think maybe coding is not for me. Let me tell you the truth. This phase comes because now you are learning. In the beginning, you are just following steps. After some time, you start thinking on your own, and thinking is always hard. Your brain is learning a new way to solve problems. That is why coding feels difficult. In the beginning, we copy code from tutorials. Copying feels easy, but after some time, we try to write code ourselves. That is when problems start. This is not a bad thing. This means you are moving from copying to understanding. And this step is always hard. Another big reason why coding feels hard is comparison. We see others on YouTube, they look confident, they build big projects. We forget that they were also beginner once. Comparison makes us feel slow and useless, but everyone has a different speed and story. Today there is too much information. One video says do front end, another says do back end. One says learn Python, another says learn JavaScript. This creates a lot of confusion. Confusion makes coding feel harder than it really is. Most beginners quit coding in this phase, not because they are bad, but because they think this feeling means failure. But this feeling means you are close to improvement. If you quit here, you quit just before growth. If coding feels hard, please do these things. Slow down your learning, practice small things, build small projects. Don't rush to learn everything. Even one small win daily is enough. Coding is not a race. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. Both days are part of learning. If you are watching this video and you feel stuck in coding, I want to say this. You are not alone. This phase will pass. Stay patient, stay consistent. Coding will start making sense slowly, step by step. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Coding with Happiness for honest and simple coding content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.